I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. On the road again. Back home to my parents, half of grad school is through. Got degrees and music talent, but the woods are real cool, so I'll forget about my career for a time and invigorate the connector lines to my soul. Wow. 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 Are we ready, Marley? Marley, are we ready? Okay, let's go. Dun, 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 dun. This is where I slipped. And, yeah. There's not a lot of room, is there? I mean, there's these rocks here. Look at them. You can see there's these rocks. But it's kind of haphazard. And there's so many leaves, which is good. But you can see the slope where that tree is. I'll show you better later. You can see the water emptying there. And these rocks that aren't very prettily placed. But that's okay. I'm gonna fix them. Look at this tree. It's in the middle of the creek. But that's the type of stuff that I gotta move back. Like there can't... Okay. So I arrived today, like 4 hours ago, I believe. And I'm here with Tamar. And yeah, so it rained all night. And so there's a decent amount of water in the creek right now. Of course, it's still very much covered. What I did today was I made a little bit of a path here to my left, right here, which was thorns, pricker bushes. Literally within 15 seconds of me being here, I got a giant thorn into my hand. Could have separated my thumb from my body, but it didn't. I'm trying to see if I can find a thorn that was as big as the one that was trying to kill me, but I can't. Such is life. I'm gonna take you through this path now. Okay, and Marley's gonna follow me, because Marley is my protector. Okay. So now I'm on the opposite side of the creek. This creek has been completely untouched, besides dumped on, for a while now. At least 50 years. The owners built the pond over 60 years ago, so at least 30, maybe 15. No, I'm gonna bank on 30. Anyway, so here is the output from the other side. I don't know if you could tell, but so we got some dump stuff going on. So that is a pot. This is just a flower pot. The entire flow of the creek is going by this one ice shovel. The entire flow of the creek is going through this. Yeah. Here's some tubing not doing anything. I did mention some dumping. Here's just a ton of bricks. This is gonna be its own episode, these bricks, I think. Right, Mar? Okay. But a positive I found in this little area is right at my feet. And at first, I thought they were mushrooms. You can see a few of them in the water. And then I came to this side after clearing the woods, or clearing the thorns. And under this tree, what look like mushrooms are actually seashells. This is a seashell. Oh, it's a little guy. Hi, little guy. Hi, little guy. It's a little guy. There's so many seashells. Here we are with the creek. Okay, so we'll follow the channel a little bit, friends. We got some water here. Boy. Just a beautiful view. Mark. Goes by buck, muddy, muddy. Goes by buck, muddy, muddy. Goes by buck, muddy, muddy. Wears yellow color, she ain't afraid to holler. Keep me from the scary stuff, stick picking skills up to snuff. Pay her back in golf cart rides. Goes by buck, muddy, muddy. 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 Muddy, muddy. So I'm here with the creek, and there's the flower pot. Oh, the infamous flower pot. The flower pot of all flower pots. The single flower pot of which this creek outpours. But I'm gonna move it. Gonna move it right now. It's up there. Okay, now with the ice scraper. Now get the ice scraper. Icky. Icky. It's a fish net. Any fishies caught in it? No. Oh, that's not what I thought it was. Huh. It's out now. What? Oh. Oh. It's out now. It was a fishing net the whole time. Okay. That way, eventually, when I move all the bricks out of here, as Marley will show you, good girl, there's a path right here that takes us back to the front of the property or wherever I need to take the stuff. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? It's shine time. All right, Marley? Right, Marley? Yeah. I'm somewhere in the yard.